Hello everyone, how are you? Today's topic is physical activity as a corrective measure, you can say corrective measure of physical deformities. As you know, our body is influenced by environment or those or these or the force of environmental which sometimes these sometimes these power became reason for posture related problems. Posture related problems deformities are mainly due to this habit, physical weakness, unbalanced diet, malnutrition, lack of exercise, obesity, lack of awareness, etc. etc. This is the only reason which cure physical deformities. Mainly these deformities are two types: functional deformities, structural deformities. What is the meaning of functional deformities? In this type of destruction, muscles, young sensation, permanent bacterial tissues, soft tissues, etc. are also affected. In structure, this type of ballad, pentation, the bone structure is affected. In improper these destruction, physical activity has no special role. This type of deformities can be corrected by surgery only. Right now, structural deformities are sometimes found in the inmate, but the vertebral deformities of human lifestyle are attached. In physical activity is performed on a longer basis from a very young age, then it is largely the functional destruction can be avoided. Physical activity can be helpful in neuralization, the effect of gravitational power. If the person exercise continuously to increase strength, speed, endurance, flexibility, and coordination, then posture related deformities can be avoided to a great extent. It means कि आप लोगों को कुछ ना कुछ फिजिकल एक्टिविटी करनी ही चाहिए जिससे आप लोग इस तरह की प्रॉब्लम से बचे जा सकें. फिजिकल एक्टिविटी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सम सच करेक्ट एक्सरसाइज आर डिस्क्राइब बिलो. राइट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एक्सरसाइज रिलेटेड फॉर नॉक नी. नॉक नी क्या होता है? जब घुटने आपस में टकरा रहे हों, दैट इज नॉक नी. To some extent, these deformities can be improved by exercise, especially in the initial age. Initial age मतलब छोटे यंग एज में. यंग एज जब हम छोटे बच्चे होते हैं ना, उसमें हम अगर अपने आप को करेक्ट कर लें तो हम जल्दी इम्प्रूवमेंट कर लेंगे. दिस desirable and encouraged result of this exercise can be achieved during the first phase of childhood. Right. First of all, regularity. Regularly Padmasana and Gomukhasana should be done. Then horse riding is the best exercise for overcome these deformities. Horse riding में क्या होता है? Suppose हम लोग, or you can put pillow. In fact, you can put pillow also. Yeah, guys, you keep the pillow in between the knee and stand straight for some extent. Special attention should be given to the knee leg together. Cod liver oil is also helpful to improving deformities. This is Gomukhasana. You can see here Gomukhasana. This is Gomukhasana. The use of walking clippers can be beneficial. Doing Padmasana, lifting leg from straight position, lift your leg from the same position. This exercise for knock knee. Now second is flat foot. Flat foot जो होता है जिसमें कोई कर्व ना हो. राइट. जिसमें कर्व होता है वो एक्यूरेट होता है. Stand straight and do up down movement while putting weight on the toes. Jump and walk on the toes, skipping rope, walk on ankle, Vajrasan, Padmasan. This is exercise for flat foot. The game related to walk over ball. Put the handkerchief in the middle of the shoe and wear it, walking and running on sand. Sit on the chair and stood from which the feet rest on the floor. Now take a screed wet towel and spread it under the feet and try to collect the towel from with the feet. Do this activity for 8 times in a day. Put some pieces of paper on the ground, pick them and with foot, thumb and adjoining finger and keep paper on another side. This is for flat foot. Put the cylindrical object below the flat foot and roll forward or backward. जैसे कोई भी चीज़ हम ले सकते हैं ऐसे गोल जो रोल करने वाली हो और उसके ऊपर पैर चलाएं ताकि वो आगे पीछे हो. Then exercise for round shoulder. This can be corrected by following exercise. Put the finger on the shoulder and move the elbow forward and backward. ठीक है. The horizontal bar or rod should be hang for some time. Chakrasana, Dhanurasana is also beneficial. Move the shoulder towards direction of the stick, then rotate in the opposite direction of the clock. Now fifth is put your hand behind your head and the partner who stand behind you will pull your hand from the elbow forward. This is for round shoulder. Now exercise for lordosis. Lordosis में क्या होता है? Sit on the chair with feet wide apart. Bend a position of your shoulder between knee, then reach the floor under back of chair. Hold this position for some duration. Lay in proline. Proline होता है पेट के बल. Proline position on the floor. Keep the palm of your hand on the floor according to shoulder width. Push up, toes keeping pelvic up. Hold the position sometimes. Sit down with knee extend, feet together and hands at right side. After that, bend forward touching the finger to toe. Hold this position for some time, then come back and repeat. Bend knees forward while walling, allowing hip to bend back behind, keeping back straight and knee pointed in some direction as feet. Descend until thigh are just parallel to floor. Extend knee and hip until legs are straight. Come back in straight position and then repeat this same. Lunge forward with knees on a mat. Take position of the foot behind knee. Place both hand and knee. Straighten hip or rear leg by pushing hip forward and hold stretch. Repeat this opposite side. Lay down on prawn side middle पेट के बल with hand under abdominal weight. Then keep hip on the shoulder down. Press hand on the abdominal and lower rise. Now exercise related with kyphosis. Kyphosis क्या होता है? काइफोसिस में अगर आपको याद हो, काइफोसिस में कुब निकला होता है. काइफोसिस में कुब निकला होता है. दिस इज ये पार्ट ऊपर होता है. थ्रू एन एक्सरसाइज, अप्रोप्रिएट एक्सरसाइज, एक्सटेंड शोल्डर स्ट्रेंथ एंड टोन अप द इम्प्रूव. स्विमिंग इज रिकमेंडेड एज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट एक्सरसाइज. चक्रासन एंड भुजंगासन are also beneficial as remedial exercise measures. Turn your head back in a standing position and stay in situation for some time backward. Be sure to keep pillow under the back while sleeping. Be sure to lay on the belly and put your hand behind the neck. Then partner will pull your hand up backward. Regularly do Dhanurasana, laying on the back on the stomach and holding the ankle with hands. Exercise related with scoliosis. स्कॉलरशिप में क्या होता है? सी सी कर्व. सी कर्व याद है आपको? सी कर्व स्कॉलरशिप में सी कर्व होता है. हैंगिंग ऑन द हॉरिजॉन्टल बार हेल्प स्ट्रेंथन द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. अगर ये पैरेलल बार है, अगर हम उसको पकड़ेंगे तो नेचुरली हमारी ये बैकबोन सीधी होगी. जो सी कर्व में है, ऐसे कर्व में है सी कर्व. स्विमिंग विद बैक स्ट्रोक टेक्निक इज द मोस्ट favorable and beneficial exercise for this disorder. For the spinal cord, exercise for breathing exercise and leaning toward intercorrecting side exercise is also beneficial. Adhomukh and Shavasana should be done. Do plank. Plank आप समझते हैं. त्रिकोणासन is very beneficial. Breathing and corrective type exercise are also beneficial. Now corrective measures. Padmasana. Padmasana is the sitting and with crossed leg. In such way, the feet should touch the opposite hip while hand are on the knee and back straight. In Ardha Chakrasana, this is a position. Start bending sideward. One hand close to the head while under other push the legs. Garudasana. In this, body balance over one leg while other leg is rolled over the other leg. Hands are also rolled in front of the face. Ardha Matsyasana. In this, crossing by sitting on one leg is placed over the other so that the foot touch the opposite hip, whereas one hand support the leg and another roll over the spine. This is